It's the Tampa, Florida weather discussion for Wednesday, the 23rd of January. I'm Michael Groff. Active weather coming in here later this evening and tomorrow as a cold front moves across the state, which will bring with it a chance of showers, thunderstorms, maybe a few strong storms, and some cooler temperatures as well. And then the weekend at least looks mostly all right, but maybe by late Sunday and into Monday, we start to see another chance of precipitation. Let's talk about it. First, the almanac from yesterday, 76 for the high, 47 the low. And outside right now here just after 8 o'clock, the sun is up, some clouds out there, and we are at 63 degrees at Tampa International. Dew point at 55, humidity 77%. The winds, they are light, and the barometer is steady. Temperatures across the area this morning, very mild, well above average. 50s, but mostly 60s on the board right now. The upper air look across the country, we've got a trough out over the plain states now. That's going to be our next weather maker. And already the moisture is beginning to increase out ahead of that system here across much of Florida. Watch warning map. We've got blizzard warnings for parts of eastern, north, and south Dakota, western Minnesota. Winter storm warnings up there. Places like Chicago, Milwaukee, the snow is piling up. Over toward Detroit, they've got kind of a wintry mix and a mess also for parts of the northeast over the next 24 hours or so. Wind advisories in the southeast out ahead of our cold front. Convective outlook for today, we've got the standard slight risk around Biloxi and Mobile, Alabama. The marginal risk extends down into the Florida Peninsula, including Tampa Bay. Could be a few storms that produce some strong gusty winds. I don't think the tornado potential is overly high, so we're not going to worry about that, but maybe some strong winds, especially with our front as it comes through late tonight and tomorrow, which we'll detail here in just a moment. Precipitation valid through next Wednesday morning from the WPC. Around 3 inches or so for parts of South Florida, around Miami and West Palm Beach. Nearly 2 inches here for Tampa Bay, slightly lighter amounts further to the north. And let's get into the details of it all now as we check the models. Here it is, the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 1 o'clock this afternoon. There's our trough over the plain states, moving eastward out ahead of it, southwesterly flow, so down at the surface. Yeah, those surface winds are out of the south too. And so we'll see increasing moisture, increasing clouds today, but it'll be mild. High temperatures upper 70s to near 80. Tonight, partly cloudy in the evening, then showers and thunderstorms roll in probably after midnight. But we could see a few showers, maybe even in the mid to late evening hours. This is the GFS at 1 a.m. And yeah, you see that front is approaching at that point. Let's look at the high-res models and try and get some more clarity on this. This is the 3-kilometer NAM at 4 a.m. tomorrow morning. And our frontal band at that point is approaching the Nature Coast and well to the west of Tampa Bay, but some showers and maybe some discrete cells out ahead of that. And a few of those, again, could be strong, producing some gusty winds. I really think that the main impact from any severe storms would be with the main frontal band itself, though. And looking at the atmospheric instability, not overly impressive, but still, Cape up there around 500 to 1,000 joules per kilogram. The best Cape, the best instability is well out over the Gulf, and we're not going to see that here. Still, thunderstorms and, again, a couple of strong storms can't be ruled out. Lows tonight should be down in the mid-60s, and then tomorrow we're not going to warm up very much. That cold front's going to come through. Showers and thunderstorms likely at least through the mid to late morning hours. Then we turn partly sunny. It'll be windy at times, and highs only in the upper 60s, and it could be one of those situations where we start to cool off as we get into the afternoon hours once that front clears the area. Friday will start out in the 40s in most spots and high temperatures only around 60. Saturday looks pretty good. Mostly sunny in the morning, partly cloudy in the afternoon. High temperatures, again, low to mid 60s. And then Sunday, a lot of the models had been showing kind of a rainy day or at least rain coming in. But now the GFS shows a dry solution for us on Sunday. Going to leave a chance of showers in there for later Sunday. And certainly by Sunday night and into Monday. But Sunday looks mostly okay, at least at face value right now. High temperatures, mid-60s. Monday, chance of showers in here. Highs again, mid-60s. Tuesday, mid-60s. And another front approaching us from the west, but the day should be dry. Then Tuesday night into Wednesday, a week from today. This is the 30th of January. We do have another shot of showers coming in here. And look at that cold vortex over northern Ontario. And so you see that we're in a very high amplitude pattern. So another round of cool air. Highs probably back in the upper 50s and low 60s. It's got 10 days. This is the end of the period. Friday, the 1st of February. Got a ridge out in the west, troughing over the Great Lakes and up into eastern Canada around here. The southern end of the trough, and temperatures should be moderating at that point, but still maybe highs at or slightly below average. Let's check the temperatures off the European through the period, and I think we're going to be warmer than the mid-70s today. We'll probably be very close to 80, and then we'll cool it off for the weekend, and temperatures stay a little bit below average to close out the month of January. And that's going to do it for the Tampa, Florida weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. And as always, your comments, questions, and suggestions are encouraged. Thank you so much for watching. Be safe and have a terrific Wednesday.